Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I'm actually pretty excited to talk about this particular microphone. So this is the Maono AU PM421, and it is an update to a microphone set that I've actually already featured on this channel back in the day, and that is the AU04. The AU04 came in a kit identical to this, but it was a very simple style microphone. And in that review, I remembered thinking, there are some things that I kind of wish this had, and really what it boiled down to was a gain knob, like I had seen on other microphones made by other manufacturers, and a mute button. And those were kind of my two wish list items. Now, you might also remember, in another review, when I looked at this conference microphone, it probably had one of my favorite mute-style buttons, and it was just a capacitive touch button. Worked really well, no loud clicks, and seemed like a really good combination. And what they pretty much did was they took these two, they mashed them together, and they have produced this new kit that I am going to quickly unbox for you now, and then set it up so you can hear some audio from it. This is like I said, the PM421. It is 110 Canadian dollars at the filming of this video. You can still get the original AU04 kit for around $80, so it is a bit more money. But for the features that you get, I think that you would be regretful not to pick it up. It still has the same audio quality from the previous microphone. We're looking at 192 kilohertz, 24-bit audio, very high quality stuff. And I'm just looking forward to this because, especially during the time that this is being filmed, there's a real need for good audio with all these conference calls happening. So you've got yourself the foamy, you've got the pop filter. We'll just put that off to the side. And then we've got everything that you would come to expect, but let's take a look at the main attraction. And it is this guy right here. Very sharp looking. Has that mic on and off, as well as that gain dial, which is very firm. It's got a nice little arrow indicator. The only thing that I kind of wish that they did add were like little notches so you could see what volume it was set at rather than just being a dial. But considering how far we've gotten so far, this is a fantastic start. At any rate, let's go ahead and set all of this up and do some audio tests. All right, so this is me testing the microphone at the halfway volume mark, and I don't have the foamy or the pop filter over top, and this is what it sounds like. If we take the knob and we crank it up all the way, so maximum gain is achieved, this is what it sounds like. And the mute button, I've found out, if you're very, very skilled, you can actually mute the microphone without even touching it. It just searches for that capacitive charge, and then the rest takes over. So I'll try to get that on film, but it's actually a pretty handy little thing where if I don't want to touch the microphone and interrupt the audio quality, then I can just go ahead and hover over it. Of course, you will want to make sure that the location of your pop filter is appropriate for minimal disruption while you're doing that. So this is what the audio quality sounds like with the foamy over top. And yeah, same as before, we've got this on maximum volume currently and does a pretty good job. I would say the microphone's about 12 inches away from my mouth. If I was closer, I would of course want to dial back that gain to something a little bit more reasonable. Let's go ahead and try it with the pop filter and get nice and close. So this is the microphone nice up and close with the pop filter in the way at approximately half volume. I'm going to reach in behind here and adjust it all the way up to full volume so you can get the idea of what the sound quality is like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in the days coming ahead, I anticipate that I am going to have to build a few remote working stations, and having good audio is going to be a part of that, and I think that this will certainly have its part to play as well. I want to thank Maono for sending this microphone out to me to test it out, especially during these trying times. This isn't a microphone that I purchased myself, but I wanted to review it for you all the same. If you have any questions about this microphone, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I will update you with my use on this microphone as time moves forward. If you enjoy this sort of content and would like to support the channel and see more, I'll leave the big 4 here along the bottom for you. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so when an update on this video or other microphones show up, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.